When you look at robot vacuums today, most of them promise stronger suction or smarter mapping, but the real issue is how quickly that performance drops off. Filters clog, airflow degrades, and what starts as deep cleaning quietly turns into surface level cleaning within weeks. That long-term drop in real cleaning power is the problem the eufy Omni S2 was built to solve. This is not a minor spec refresh. The Omni S2 takes a fundamentally different approach to how suction is generated, preserved, and delivered over time. If you want to learn more, you'll find the link to the S2 in the video description. Now let's break down what eufy actually changed, starting with vacuuming performance, because that is where the S2 truly separates itself. At the headline level, the eufy Omni S2 delivers the industry's maximum suction power of 30,000 pascals and a high cleaning efficiency of 100 air watts, making it the first and only robot vacuum that we're aware of in the industry to reach 100 air watts. That number matters far more than most people realize because air watts measure real usable cleaning power. Unlike pascals, which only describe pressure at the inlet, air watts account for airflow and pressure together. In practical terms, air watts tells you how effectively a vacuum can actually lift debris off the floor and move it into the dustbin. To put that into perspective, many robot vacuums operate in the 15 to 20 air watt range on standard modes. Hitting 100 air watts in a fully autonomous robot vacuum means the Omni S2 is delivering roughly 5 times the effective cleaning power of ordinary robot vacuums. This suction level enables it to not only lift heavier particles, but also a greater volume, pulling dust out of deep carpet fibers and maintaining a stable airflow even as the dust box gradually fills up, but in a form factor that runs hands-free every day. However, raw power alone does not solve the real-world problem of suction decay. This is where eufy's Aero Turbo 2.0 multi-cone cyclone system becomes critical. Instead of allowing dust and hair to immediately load onto a single filter and restrict airflow, the Omni S2 separates debris through multi-cyclone cones before it even reaches the filter. Heavier particles are spun outwards, fine dust is isolated, and airflow remains stable for dramatically longer periods of time. This is why eufy can confidently claim that the Omni S2 maintains peak cleaning performance for up to 365 days, which is roughly 15 times longer than most competitors, many of which begin losing suction after just a few weeks of regular use. For users who are constantly dealing with clogged filters and fading performance, this is a real measurable advantage. In real testing, this difference becomes obvious. Heavy particle suction tests show the Omni S2 pulling in dense debris that weaker robots simply scatter. The same holds true for larger debris. Heavier particles, including small steel balls, are picked up with ease, items that would typically require manual vacuuming. Suction decay testing tells an even cleaner story. By simulating 30 days of daily debris accumulation, using approximately 30 grams of hair and dust per cycle, repeated across 3 test runs, the Omni S2 shows virtually no drop in pickup performance. The amount of waste collected in the dustbin remains consistent from the first run to the last, demonstrating that suction is not fading as the system loads up. Before and after testing reinforces this. After vacuuming, a white tissue wipe across the same area shows minimal residual dust, confirming that the Omni S2 is removing fine dust rather than redistributing it across the floor. Carpet performance is another area where the Omni S2 clearly stands out. When the robot detects carpet, it actively lifts its chassis and front wheels, automatically adjusts brush contact and airflow to increase suction as it moves from hard floors to carpet. This allows it to clean carpets up to 5 centimeters thick, a threshold that most robot vacuums simply cannot manage. On thick carpet testing, you can clearly see the robot climbing onto the surface, raising its body and maintaining stable movement without losing traction. This is not just cosmetic clearance, it allows the brush and airflow to stay engaged with dense fibers rather than skimming over the top. The Omni S2 also applies different strategies depending on carpet type. Fringe carpets are approached from the non-tassel side to prevent tangling. Thin rugs are intelligently bypassed to avoid lifting or bunching. Standard carpets are cleaned edge to edge. Embedded pet hair and fine dust continue to be pulled out rather than left behind. Mopping is handled by eufy's Hydrojet 2.0 self-cleaning roller mop, which uses a 29 centimeter roller, currently the longest in its class. Unlike dual spin systems that tend to smear dirty water, the Omni S2 continuously washes the mop as it cleans. The roller self-cleans 4 times per second at 240 RPM, using 32 water outlets to evenly distribute fresh water across the surface. Dirty water is immediately extracted into a separate tank, preventing cross-contamination. The system applies 15 newtons of downward pressure, allowing it to remove dried-on stains like sauce, mud, or coffee in a single pass. Edge performance is also addressed. The mop dramatically extends up to 15 millimeters, maintaining pressure and moisture along baseboards and corners, so edges receive the same level of cleaning as open floor areas. After mopping, a wipe test clearly shows the results. Wiping the clean area with a white cloth reveals minimal residue, confirming that dirt and moisture are being properly removed rather than spread. For hygiene, the Omni S2 uses electrolyzed water during cleaning to help reduce bacteria without harsh chemicals. The base station continuously washes the mop with 60 degrees Celsius electrolyzed water, achieving a sterilization rate of 99.99% according to eufy, maintaining cleanliness throughout the cycle rather than relying on short, high-temperature bursts. The Omni S2 uses two distinct obstacle avoidance systems, and it's important to separate their roles clearly. First is a 3D array LiDAR obstacle avoidance, which scans the three-dimensional contours of objects in real time. This allows the robot to detect and navigate around physical obstacles with high precision and has been improved to detect obstacles down to 1 centimeter. Second is AI vision obstacle recognition, which identifies over 200 common floor-level objects, including cables, fabrics, toys, and pet waste. This system allows the robot to classify what it sees and adjust its path accordingly, keeping a safe distance from higher-risk items. Together, these systems allow the Omni S2 to move confidently through cluttered spaces while also climbing thresholds up to 4.2 centimeters, transitioning smoothly between rooms without manual intervention. This is the level of automation that allows you to press start and let the robot work independently. Hair management is handled by the Duo Spiral Detangle Brush system, which combines longer outer bristles and shorter inner bristles to prevent hair from wrapping tightly around the roller. During cleaning, the brush remains closed for maximum pickup. When the robot returns to the base, the brush opens to release collected hair automatically. For pet owners, this significantly reduces manual brush maintenance. All of this is supported by the 12-in-1 UniClean Station 2.0, which handles dust collection, mop washing, hot water sterilization, drying, and system maintenance automatically. The design is practical and well thought out, featuring a translucent top, a glowing star ring during operation, and a 15-degree angle display that is easy to use without bending. There is also an optional fragrance module offering subtle scents like bamboo and sage, bergamot and lychee, or citrus and basil, adding a premium touch without overpowering the space. At the end of the day, the eufy Omni S2 stands out because it focuses on what actually matters long-term: real suction power that does not fade, carpet performance that rivals manual vacuums, and automation that reduces daily effort instead of adding complexity. This is not about chasing specs for marketing headlines. It's about delivering consistent, measurable cleaning performance day after day, all year long. If you're looking for a robot vacuum that stays powerful, stays effective, and genuinely earns its place in a real home with pets, kids, and heavy use, the eufy Omni S2 is one of the strongest options available right now.